Hello, kids! Oh, look at this unicorn! She's so happy! Let's color it with each other! At first, I'm using light pink color for her wing. Let's coloring the wing. Pink color. Repeat after me. Pink color. Do you like unicorns? They're so beautiful. You're so great. Awesome. Let's color it with each other. I'm using pink color for her hoof. Let's color the hoofs. That's awesome. Now it's turn of coloring the horn. Which color is the best for horn? Yes, yellow color. It's the best color for her horn. I'm using yellow color. Let's color unicorn hair. What's the name of this color? That's right, it's blue color. Repeat after me, blue color. Now I'm using pink color. Do you like pink? It's so beautiful. Keep going. You're so great. I'm sure you can color it very well. Which color do you like for this part? What about red color? Do you like it? Red color. It's so beautiful. Let's color in the tail. I want to use many colors for here. At first, blue color. The second color is pink. So colorful. Do you know what's the next color? Yes, yellow color. You're so great. And for the last part, I'm using red color. Repeat after me, red. So colorful. Oh, look at this cute heart. I'm using light pink color for her ears. So beautiful. That's awesome! You're so great! Thank you! See you in the next video!